Okay, number 13. No dog is larger than itself. There does not exist an X such that X is a dog and X is larger than itself. Again, you could equivalently write this. Both of these are fine. They say the same thing. 14. Every dog is larger than some dog. Okay, so there are two quantifiers here, the every and the some. So, right, every dog, for all X, if X is a dog, then there exists a Y such that Y is a dog and X is larger than Y. This says every dog is larger than some dog. You could also have the existential quantifier out here. This is equivalent. These two are equivalent. But as I said earlier in an earlier video, it's generally easier, or you're less likely to make mistakes if you just put the quantifiers where you find them in the English sentence. So in this English sentence, we have every dog is larger than some dog. So we keep the every on the outside and the some on the inside, because that's how it shows up in English. Yeah. Moving around quantifiers is risky. You can do it if you want to, but you might get it wrong. Okay, 15. There is an animal that is smaller than every dog. So there is an animal. There exists an X such that X is an animal. And the animal is smaller than every dog. For all Y, if Y is a dog, then the dog is bigger than the animal. So the English sentence says the animal is smaller than the dog, but we don't have smaller than in our summarization key. But we can still express the same idea with larger by just moving around the variables, right? So if the dog is larger than the animal, then the animal is smaller than the dog. So that's what we write here. Number 16, any animal that is larger than any dog does not like samurai movies. Got two quantifiers for all X. If X is an animal, what did it say? Any animal that is larger than any dog. But for all X, if X is an animal, then for all Y, if Y is a dog, and the animal is larger than the dog, then the animal does not like samurai movies. Okay, so let's see what this says. For all X, or any animal, given any animal, and any dog for which the animal is larger than that dog, that animal does not like samurai movies. All right, and that says the same thing as any animal that is larger than any dog does not like samurai movies.